Hey everybody, it's Rhonda again. I wanted to show you this completely awesome program I came across. Okay, it's called V45. I know I talk a lot about my designs for bulk uploading listings to Etsy, and I came across this one, and I wanted to show this one to you because it doesn't work on a subscription model, right? There are credits that you can purchase, and you only buy credits when you need them to upload your listings. So you're not obligated, to be spending 20, 30, 40, $50 a month if you're only uploading maybe, three or four listings a day. And while you could do that individually and it wouldn't take you a lot of time, you're still going to save time if you can do it bulk. All right. So I just want to show you this V45 and run through it a little bit and show you what it looks like and how it works. All right. The first thing I want to do though is I want to go to the pricing page so you can see how much this costs. All right. So 1,000 credits is $1.99, and a single listing, if you use their supplied mock-ups, it is 25 credits. If you want to use your own custom PSD mock-up from Photoshop, then it's 35 credits. So even there, let me bring up my little calculator here. All right. If you do 1,000 credits, and let's divide it by 35. Let's say you use your own custom mock-ups. You're still getting 28 listings for $2. All right. So 28 divided by 2. That's not right. I did that backwards. 2 divided by 28. And it's going to cost you about 7 cents per listing. All right. Which isn't bad. Not bad at all. So, and the more you buy, it looks like you get some bonuses, so it's a little bit cheaper. So that's not bad. The pricing I think is actually very fair. And then you also have other features in here besides listing. You have an image generator. This is a circular design with text generator, background remover, image upscaler, and then it'll also crop images to common frame sizes if you're doing like digital, printable digital wall art. There's a seamless pattern maker and a pattern repeater. So there's a few tools in here besides just the listing tool. All right. So to sign up, you would just go here, enter your information, and sign up. I have an account, so I'm just going to sign in quick. And I am in the door. All right. So I already have my Etsy store connected, but you have your shop information here, and you just click connect a new shop, and it will take you to Etsy, and the standard routine of granting access to this. Here we go, and I am connected. All right. And I do digital downloads. All right. So now, this isn't as fancy looking as some of the other websites out there, but it gets the job done. All right. So here we are in the listing section. Oh, and here's another neat feature. Over here is my Pinterest boards. I connected my Pinterest, and it will create a pin for me for each new product I list. So that's pretty cool too. So anyway, all right. I want to bulk upload. All right, and all you do to bulk upload is you open up the folder that has the designs in it that you want to list. Let's say I am going to list these 9 files. All right. All I'm going to do is take those 9 and I'm going to zip them up into a single folder. And I am going to name this Tumblr Bulk, just so I know. All right. So I'm going to come over here to bulk upload. I'm going to click it. And I am going to upload a simple zip file right after I select which product type I am uploading. Is it generic digital art, clip art, digital papers, wall art, or a Tumblr wrap? Well, these are Tumblr wraps, so we're going to select that. And now we are going to select that zip file that we just made, Tumblr Bulk. And here is another option. It says enable page storage. Images will be stored on their server, and your listings would get a PDF file with a link and password to download it. Otherwise, they will upload your files to Etsy in a zip. So that's actually a bit of an advantage over some of the other bulk uploaders that do use a PDF style system. So we're going to leave that blank. We don't want that. We want to upload our designs to Etsy. All right. And it is uploading here. So now we can click on this. And here is a generic description that goes in. And if you used AI, yes. Yes, we don't need that because we do already do that in Etsy now. And then you have your price and your quantity. And I'm going to untick auto renew listing because I like to look at my listings when they expire and see why they've expired, you know, and if they're getting traction or do I need to make changes. All right. And then you have your basic title here. And then it says select if you want to use only first image for video creation. And you can leave that empty. Advanced settings, upscale image output. And you should have already upscaled your images if you're doing this kind of stuff. So you should be ready to go. And once you've checked over all these little extras to see what is what, these are the images that will be generated. And here is a custom PSD mockup that I uploaded, and that's the one I want to use. And do not include shop icon. You can add watermarks. But we are pretty much ready to go. All right. So I'm going to go down here and I'm going to click on create listings. And it has added it to the queue. And now we wait just a few. And it shouldn't take too long to do this unless, you know, their server is pretty busy. But I actually did upload earlier. I'm going to show you listings. And in my draft, it is uploading again. Okay, I already had them in here once and I forgot to remove them. So let me get rid of these old ones because it is doing this same batch again. I had done this earlier to test. And I want to delete these. And let me refresh this. And it is working on the current batch of 9. We have 1, 2, 3, 5 done already. 6, 7, 8. and all 9 are there. All right. Now you can, I believe somewhere over here, I cannot remember where off the top of my head, but you can, there is an option to have it go live right away, but I prefer to have everything sent to my draft so I can just double check things before I make them live. And I always batch upload according to product type, so it's not like I have to sit here and sort through each one of these to decide what section to put them in. So this is what they look like. And let me open one of them and do the preview so you can see. And it made the mock-ups. And you can see exactly what is going to be uploaded. And it has a description here for you. And then you can just scroll down through to double check. There's your files. They are zipped up and uploaded. And let's go look at the tags it created. All right, instant download, artistic tumbler, beige, dramatic aesthetic, antler design, deer, fabric elements, tumbler wrap, textured wrap, wildlife art. Okay, they don't look too bad. They don't look too bad. And then when you're ready, you can just put these in, like I said, the section you want to put them in, and then click on publish after you've put them in the section. So that's how that works, how you can quickly bulk upload using V45 on, like I said, a credit-based system. And it keeps a running tally for you over here on the left of how many credits you have. All right. And you have your image generator. And like I said, the circular image with text. There's a background remover. Upscale. Now pay attention to how many credits these use, because you may not want to use all your credits on upscaling in here when you might be able to do that in another program that you already subscribe to. Here we are, crop to common frame sizes, seamless pattern maker, pattern repeater. If you don't have an Etsy shop yet, here's one. It'll help you decide. It's a Etsy shop name generator. And that is that. But I really wanted to show you this bulk listing tool that they have. All right. Like I said, we talk a lot about listing our items in bulk to save time. And, a lot of them that do bulk editing do require subscriptions. And, that's an obligation that you have every month, regardless of how many listings you're putting up. You might only be doing, like I said, 3 or 4 or 5 designs a day. And it would be nice to be able to bulk upload them, because it does save you time. That could save you, even a half an hour of time a day, which you could spend doing something else, whether it is designing, whether it's answering emails, whether it is product research, or even, making lunch and hanging out with the kids, or, your significant other. There's other things you could be doing in that half hour. So why not use a tool that helps you optimize your time and use it more wisely? So, like I said, this is just a really cool little program. I like how it's on a credit-based system. So I hope you guys found this helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll try and answer them if I can. And I will leave a link for this program as well. And I hope you guys have a great evening, and I'll see you next time.